How to create a Discord username. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be discussing on how you will be able to create a very unique username for your account. If you don't know, Discord has recently made an update where your username should be unique and should be used by only you yourselves. So another user cannot have the same username as you. And that makes it difficult for a lot of people to create very unique names because of course a lot of people are using Discord. And so you could use some fun websites such as SpinXO over here that would allow you to generate some username. As you can see here, you could pick out a nickname over here. So let's say a very simple one. Let's say go with blue. Then what are you like? So let's say jolly. Hobbies. Let's say gym, I guess. Things you like, cat, and stuff like that. Then you can simply spin and there will be some generated names for you to choose from over here. There's also other platforms that you could try out. There's a lot of different platforms out there that you could check out, but those are the different platforms that I suggest. You could explore other platforms as well to help you make your very own unique username in Discord. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.